my BTech from Maharashtra University in electrical engineering in 24. Okay, so from my college I didn't get much chance. Like I got 2 opportunities more or less, and still they were not hiring for me. They were not hiring for electrical engineering. That's why I didn't get any chance from my college. Okay, so as an education student I came here. Started attending classes, and I must say I am the biggest absentee here. But Govindra sir used to say, because I have to struggle a lot. The one thing I want to share is, I am staying here in Kolkata only, staying with my parents. But the thing is, many people tell, if you stay with your parents, it will become easier for you to manage everything. But now, that's not the case for me. So it was difficult for me to attend regular classes here and doing boot camp and presentation and everything. But here the trainers helped me a lot, and especially the Lokesh sir who taught me Java. I was zero at Java. I was no knowledge in Java. I started learning Java last year, but I didn't get the knowledge from that YouTube and online resources. But here Lokesh sir taught like this is the best Java. Once I completed the Java course, Akshay sir used to take our programming classes. I didn't got much chances to attend his classes. I hardly attend 2 months or 1.5 months of classes of Akshay sir, in which he used to teach us the programming classes. And I can say that from beginning, if no one knows, if a person has zero knowledge in programming, he can make him the master in programming. For the Java and for their technology, even how to make a class in Java, he used to tell us. How to use a function, how to apply everything he used to tell us. So he was just perfect in his work. So thanks to Govindra and last especially to the SKR sir. And I know. So in my interview was not like too good or too bad. It was just like intermediate kind of, and last 7 to 8 minutes was the toughest part for me. But then the interviewer asked about the SDLC, and I told him about 7 to 8 minutes about SDLC only, from starting to end, then agile model. Then one time was there, last minute, he used to say, okay, stop, I know you have completed the SDLC, and now he is the time to say about the SDLC agile, and that way my interviews got over. So if I didn't know about the SDLC, I can say I didn't qualify for the technical round. HR ma'am helped us a lot. She was like calling 3 to 4 times in a day for confirming that was so tiring for the interview, to break the interview, get ready for the interview, and especially she used to share the interview questions. The questions which were asked previously from the students by the candidates, they used to share the interview question, which helped me a lot. So yeah, thank you all to the Q Spiders, J Spiders, and thanks for giving me for this opportunity. For the Q Spiders only, I am standing here able to speak in front of you all.
That one thing what staying with the family, it became difficult for me. She didn't elaborate it that, but I know. Staying with family, how you will be uncomfortable or problem, because that family, she's staying mother, I think many health issues. She is the one, she to take care of mother, everywhere hospital and all. She need to take care of her house, managing running house, and parallelly she need to take care of her studies. That's why she told staying with family became benefit for me. My means in the family, parents were helping you go attend class, study. They'll prepare food for you. They'll feed you. They'll give box for you. You study night, they will still go sleep. Everything you will be doing. Majority of students like that only. You're just going to sleep or just take bath, take dress change and come for hospital. But she is going to home to clean all the home, to prepare food for the family, to take care of her mother. Then along with that, every household things were completed. Then she look after her studies. This I know. She didn't know because she hesitation. Nobody want to share their problems to anyone, because if they share, then people may feel like sympathy also, and people may feel that she is they will tease her also. Something they'll feel. So nobody want to share her problem. She shared to me because she felt sharing to me makes sense. So that sir will understand and he will allow. She used to miss the class many times and I used to scold. One day she told her problem. After that I didn't told anything. See, I'm making us understand. When we miss the class, when you're not studying, means we will scold why for your good only. When you make us understand that you're missing the class or something, you're creating problem because of some genuine reason, some genuine problem and all, I used to stop or I left to her. You balance both the mark. In your home, what problem is facing that I can't help, I can't solve, I'm not God, I'm helpless for that, but here any problem is there, I will solve. I'll support you. Like that I used to accept her. I used to left her. I used to not ask anything from her. I told her, you balance both, you wait for right opportunity, get job, and she did that. The day she got job, she came in the class, but she was not in the zone like to speak. One word also in front of me. One word also she can't speak. So her eyes was in tears and she left suddenly. She left, sir, I'll go home, sir, I can't stay here. She went. That means that moment for her is priceless. Why? Because having this kind of hell of problems, getting job is not easy. And that too, she got a job where she can stay with her mother and she can go work. That too, she got a job, one big good company which she never imagined. She got everything, that and all, only she didn't get. God also saw that. She doing great hard work, she is suffering so much. Now little I will give happiness, so that she will be stable. Continuing this only, this kind of problem, she may get depressed, frustrated. Like give some small happiness, like God's honor for her hard work, given this happiness, small happiness. Now in this, how she will go to progress, that will make her still better. That's why she mentioned that staying with family coming, it's not good for my case. Why? She have that kind of problem. Now also she need to take her mother to hospital. Mother has some serious issue. To taking her mother only, she used to miss class. And that one fine day I got to know. After she telling, if she didn't told to me, I would have not gone, I would have again scolded her and did something. But after getting to know, I used to support her. That's it. So, it is like majority of your family, 90% of the students here, you are not in that situation that having this financial problem will be there, career problem will be there. But you need to do this, look after their year, both you need to balance like that, not there.